In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your cloudy, hazy mirror that you might find in your bedroom or even your bathroom. It's a very annoying thing. You clean it, you clean it, you clean it, and it just won't go away. Well, why is that? Why is it cloudy? Why is it hazy? Well, it's residue buildup. It's still dirty. That's why it's there. It's still dirty. It's built up. It needs to be removed. To clean it, you just need a magic eraser. Just kind of watch this video, watch what I'm doing, follow the steps. The reason you have a cloudy, hazy mirror, the reason the mirror gets like this is really three reasons. One of three reasons, I should say. Number one is using the wrong cleaning products, and those products leave behind a little film or residue which makes them appear cloudy. Number two is poor cleaning technique, so cleaning a mirror the wrong way. Some people clean mirrors very haphazardly, and then they're streaky or they're cloudy and hazy afterwards. Another kind of hidden reason this happens is using a dirty cloth. So you can have microfiber cloths that you use for cleaning, and then you wash them and you think, okay, they're ready to go again, but actually there's still some leftover oil residue in the towel because the microfiber cloths were not washed properly. And so that's why it's so important to wash your microfiber cloths the correct way to make sure they are clean when you go to use them again. If you don't know how to wash microfiber cloths, I will leave a link to that video I made down below for you. You can click on that and you can learn how to properly wash them so that this doesn't happen to you. A third reason that this happens, cloudy, hazy mirrors, is, well, sometimes you have a lot of humidity or moisture wherever the mirror is at. And so what happens is you have high humidity levels, and that moisture leads to condensation just getting on the mirror, and then that mixes with dust and stuff in the air, which creates a cloudy, hazy film on the mirror. So at the end of the day, you got a cloudy, hazy mirror because it's still dirty, it needs to be removed, and to do it, you just use the magic eraser that I'm using in this video. Dry it with a microfiber cloth, a clean one, right? Make sure your cloths have been cleaned properly, and you should be good to go. If you've ever wanted to know how to clean your grout in your shower or on your floors, click this video right here on the screen. I'll see you in the next one.